That's cute. Feels good. Yeah, move around for me. Huh?
It's fucking awesome.
It is. Let me take a picture of you real quick.
I'm like, I'm not gonna watch the movie. I'm watching football. You know, like there's no way to make that happen. Now, for Dortmund's point of 3 of viewership on a night they had all these premieres, South Park, all these crazy different shows. To me, that's a victory. And I feel like the reason that we're doing so well is because of you guys, not because of me. Because you guys want to see a fight. So I appreciate it. Thank you. What's up, buddy? Hey, Jason. Hey, I know this is Jason Nelson. When are we going to see what kind of Alice Rangers? We're going to see a what? Alice Rangers. We're going to see new ones. You know what, Jake? He just filmed the new one. I wasn't there, and I can't really speak to what happened there, but I'll just say She-Mall's my favorite.